Hi, what's up? If you're wondering what you're going to be packing for your kids for school, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy lunchbox idea that is going to be easy and the children are going to enjoy. So stay tuned until the end of the video. Learn how to make these amazing mini donuts. So to get started, I'm going to add in sugar, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. And then I'm going to add in 2 eggs. So I'm going to whisk my eggs together with the sugar until very smooth. I'm going to be adding in my oil, and vanilla. So I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix. Once combined, I'm going to be adding in the dry ingredients. So I have baking powder, some salt to balance out the sweetness, and then I'm going to be adding my flour in bits. At this point, I'm not going to be using my mixer because I don't want to overmix my batter. Then I'll add in some milk, pour in the flour, making sure that you scrape the bottom of the bowl. Once my batter is combined, I'm going to turn on my mini donut maker, which is 4-in-1. I can make waffles, donuts, mini donuts, grill, and what's the other one? Totally forgot. Oh, and a sandwich maker. So I'm going to divide the batter in 2. And then to my small bowl over here, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cacao. Is it cacao or cocoa powder? Yeah. So I'm going to add in a tablespoon of milk. This is going to make it easier for me to combine the cocoa to the batter. My batter is ready, and also my mini donut maker is ready. So I'm going to spray a little bit. This is to make sure that the batter doesn't stick. So I'm using cooking spray. You can also use cooking oil. So I'm going to be adding in a little bit of my plain butter on one side, and then I'm going to scoop out my chocolate butter and add in my other side so that we can make a chocolate vanilla mini donut. The good thing about making these mini donuts is that you can make the donuts as you do something else, because they take a while, because every time you add butter in the mini donut, you have to wait. I usually make my donuts while I make my dinner, because I don't want to wake up in the morning and make these donuts, because they take a while. So I'm going to check on my donuts and they are ready. So I'm going to remove, and look at that. This looks absolutely delicious, and the children are going to enjoy each and every bite, trust me. So you can have mix-ups like this one, but don't worry, I just added more butter than required amount. So yeah, I'll munch on that one as I make the rest. So I'm done making my mini donuts and they're looking amazing. First of all, I've eaten about 5 and they're so good, very soft, fluffy, and the chocolate flavor is going to make my children or myself, it has made me very happy. So I know the children are going to enjoy this. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you try out this mini donuts recipe for your kids, for your kids lunchbox. So not always you buy stuff from the supermarket. Try and make something at home and they'll enjoy because it's fresh and delicious.